Now let's go ahead and install Django and Django REST framework. To do this, let's create one file in the root directory, that is requirements.txt. Now this file will contain all the dependencies of our project. So just go to this website, that is pypy.org, and search for the latest version of Django. So at the time of recording of this video, our latest version is 3.1.4. So we'll be using that version only. So type Django and pin it to the specific version by putting two equal sign and the version, that is 3.1.4. Now it is a best practice to pin it to a specific version so that any changes in the future versions don't break our project. Now the next thing is Django REST framework. So the latest version of Django REST framework is 3.12.2. So just copy it and 3.12.2. Now if you quickly type ls in the /vagrant folder in the Vagrant server, you can see that our requirements.txt file is properly synchronized with our Vagrant server. So to install all the dependencies, we will be using pip. So before using pip, we need to activate our virtual environment. So just type source /env/bin/activate. Now type this command, that is pip install -r and requirements.txt. It will go ahead and install all the dependencies that were listed in the requirements.txt file. So it will install Django and Django REST framework. Now it will take a couple of seconds to install, so just wait until then. So as you can see that the process is finished and Django REST framework is installed successfully. Now in the next lecture, we will be creating our first Django project. So see you in the next lecture. Thanks.